Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a beautiful 1969 Chevelle. Great color combination, fresh drivetrain. Previous owner owned this car for about 6 years. He bought it, and it had a frame-off restoration about 10 years ago. The last 2 years, 2,500 miles, he did the whole drivetrain. So it's got a 454 all rebuilt to a 427 with only 2,500 miles on it. 5-speed Tremec with new clutch, pressure plate, throw-up bearing, and all new rear end done in the last 2,500 miles. And beautiful color combination, beautiful body.
This car is impressive. I mean, I'm so excited to do this video. I really am. I love the sound of it. We did a lot too when it came in. It was a great car. We just made it that much better like we do every one of them.
Yeah, great looking engine compartment. Firewall's nice and clean.
It's got some nice polished headers as well.
Power steering, power brakes. Good options.
It's one of the best color combinations too. I've said it many times, but black with red interior, red stripe, you can't beat it.
No, it is, and they found a perfect car to paint black. I mean, the body on this Chevelle is laser straight.
You mentioned that this was a 10-year-old frame-off restoration, and I believe it. Unfortunately, it's got a couple little chips here and there, especially on the driver's side, that just need to be touched up a little bit. You can take this car to any show and win a trophy just as it sits right now. But the biggest thing is the way it sounds, runs, drives, and looks. I could drive this car every freaking day of my life. Look at the corner of the doors in great shape. The door jamb paint is as nice as the paint on the outside of the car. You can tell they took the hood, trunk, doors, everything off, painted it all on stands, professionally put it all back together.
Yeah, nice interior too, seats in great shape. Dash pad looks nice, paint on the glove box door and dash is done beautifully.
I love the radio delete, and they put a beautiful Kenwood CD player in the glove box as well. Very professionally done in there.
Yeah, very nice.
They did some 6x9s in the back package tray. They're Kenwood as well. Back package tray, sail panels, headliner, rear door panels. Everything is just so professionally done. Very, very nice. There's a lot of nice just drivers, like daily driver stuff, you know what I mean, that wasn't as done like this one. This is a great car for this price range.
And that paint is like glass still. You can see it really shiny. You can see reflection.
Like I said, it's definitely a show quality car from bumper to bumper, except for it's had that 10 years of driving.
Yeah. Front bumper's got a good shine, grill's in good shape. And really nice body gaps. The doors fit great, so does the hood. It lines up great across the front and across the fenders. This is what Dad was talking about, is he's got a couple, there's a little chip here.
Tiny one here.
Little one there.
You can tell he drove it a little, you know?
Yeah, I mean, you spent a lot of money on this fresh drivetrain. You're gonna drive it, but when you do drive it, you'll get some chips. A couple little nicks right there. You see the reflection of the flag there on that front fender.
You're right though, this car's super straight.
A chip here in this stripe, and chip right there. That's always the hard part, because you know you want there's a dichotomy there.
You want perfection, and this car was, right?
But you also want to drive it and enjoy it and have a badass car
and
that's
now
reliable.
That's what you get, is you get about 10 little chips. But if you add a little touch up, just go ahead and touch those up. It wouldn't be a big deal at all.
Nice and straight driver's side, just like the passenger side was. Trunk lid fits really well. You have a chip that's been touched up right here by the
Let's go ahead and look
trunk
inside
key.
that trunk, should we?
Back package tray looks good. Back glass is nice
Just
and
even
clean.
here, show them this. Look how solid and nice that is, all the way across.
You can see in the trunk lid the reflection.
Yeah, black shows everything. Look at the quality of this. Beautiful, all new stickers under there. They even went to the little stoppers. I mean, so professionally done when they did it. The inside of the trunk floor is absolutely perfect. Floor pans are nice as well. Make sure you go and check that all out for yourself. We took about 20 to 30 pictures of the floors, frame, and trunk floor. They're all on our website, coyoteclassics.com.
A couple little rack chips there, but corner of the door fits beautiful.
Man, It's straight as hell. The only thing that's not going to be straight on is when I hit the gas and I'm flying sideways. That's what I'm hoping for. Did you get this corner of the door here, D, quick?
No.
Let's do that.
SS door panels, SS gauges, corner of the doors, nice and clean.
Perfect, yeah.
Jam paint's
All
nice.
new roof rail rubbers, new window felt, seals. And that 5-speed Tremec, I mean, that's just the way to go with these. I think I read the description, is it 390s?
Yep.
390
12
gear.
bolt rear end with that he said was rebuilt as well with 390 gears.
Windows, our windows go up and down really nicely.
This way you just got to push it on the crank a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go. Good.
And those are just your brand new aftermarket window cranks. They just don't work as good as the rest, do they?
Sometimes you just got to push it and then go.
All right, so let's just go ahead and see what we got here. Heater fan works. Wipers work. Dome light works. We've seen that with the door open, but it also works with the switch. We do have our older overhead factory seat belts, and we do have our retractable lap belts as well. It does have a horn button under here. Brand new SS steering wheel. Temp gauge works. We had it running here a little bit. It's sitting right now at 150. Gas gauge works as well. We always make sure we put new senders in them if they need it. Gas gauge works and it's at full tank. This thing sounds so mean. Let's see if the radio works, shall we?
I got you.
Guess what it does. Our volt gauge works. We're running 13 to 14 when we rev it up, so it's charging properly. Also, our oil pressure is running between 50 pounds at an idle. Revs up over 80.
With this, you can Bluetooth to it too. Yeah, it's got Bluetooth. So
Yeah, speakers work, everything. You're gonna Bluetooth it or plug it in too. So. This car just feels fast, don't it? Sounds fast, feels fast. We haven't got it on the road yet.
car coming right.
What do you think? Should we get on her?
Go for it. Looks like we're warming up. This thing is awesome.
I'll tell you what. Look at that.
Mark.
Oh my god.
This thing is wicked.
We'll show them that when we come back. How does that sound? Anyway, that was awesome. So, unfortunately, this thing hooks up so good, I do not go sideways.
No, just whoop. You can see every time
watch those lines, dude.
shift
It's
the
a
tube.
straight Posi line, stop. There's nothing there when I
Nice.
shifted, and then back to it.
Did a good job with the drivetrain on this.
Yeah. And that's like I mentioned before. I mean, I don't want you guys to get scared off. This is a show-winning car. It just has about 10 to 12 little tiny rock chips from driving. But you're gonna have it first time you take it out and have fun.
Throws you right back in the seat. It's so tight.
This is a keeper car. I ain't shitting you.
Yeah.
This is a car that I would keep for myself and drive it every day of my life. Good job, Dalton. Dalton bought this one.
Thanks.
Shout out to the guy that restored this one. It's a fantastic job, fantastic car. It's got a 5-speed in it where we're doing literally 50 mile an hour right now at 1,500 RPMs. We're gonna do a turnaround right here since we got a traffic jam. High-speed brakes.
Right.
Flip-flops and burnouts. Don't work very good, do they?
I don't know. You proved
Well,
you
I
can
did
do
all
it.
right, I guess, but
Proved you can do it in flip flops.
just driving her normal first gear, 3,000 RPM shift.
This car is just geared right, set up right. It's well done.
It's absolutely fantastic, no doubt about it.
And this works really well too. You got your like kind of Astro vents, so you can pull these levers and open up the vents for outside air. And that works well. It cools you off. What a car.
What an awesome car. Love it, Dalton. Absolutely love it.
Here's your high-speed brakes. Stop nice and straight.
Yeah, you got a nice full pedal. I wasn't trying to stop straight though. I was trying to turn and stop, but.
It's like boogies.
Yeah, those are awesome. They were 35 to 4,000 RPM shifts. There's our straight line, Posi line. Great car, guys.
Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.